Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 85 Kitchener Road. This lovely 2-bedroom mid-terrace property is located close to the River Ray path, which leads through to Cannon Hill Park. Okay, and then into the property. Well, the first reception room here with bay window to the front aspect. Lovely decorative fireplace and coving there to the ceiling. And we have this lovely flooring running throughout the reception rooms, and then just in between here we have the understairs storage recess for coats and shoes. And on to the second reception room. Again, a lovely decorative fireplace, window to the rear aspect. And then there's the door leading to the stairs, which in turn lead up to the first floor. And then at the rear of the property, we've got the kitchen here with 2 windows providing lots of natural light from the side aspect. There's also an integrated cooker, inset 4-ring electric hob, and wall-mounted gas boiler just there in the corner. Okay, then up onto the first floor, and we've got the landing area here, which leads to both bedrooms and the bathroom. And there we have the loft access point just above us. Moving into the main bedroom here at the front of the property. Lovely light room, having 2 windows to the front aspect. So really nice, spacious bedroom with the original wooden floorboards. And then moving across to the second bedroom. Again, great size double room, having an overstairs built-in storage cupboard. And we also have an aspect here across the rear garden and playing fields beyond. And then we have a step down where we have the airing cupboard just on the right hand side, housing hot water cylinder, and through to the bathroom. Again, really nice size, and we've got a panel bath with electric shower above. Along with the wash basin and WC. Okay, and then heading outside, we have this paved area here with the attached outbuilding, which leads to a communal passageway. Right there is gated access back out onto Kitchener Road. And then we have the main garden area with a flagged patio, lawn section, and then we've backing onto the playing fields here. Lovely views to the rear. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact us as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.